Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel M&T Bank credit card. Okay, so there is only one method by which you can cancel your card, that is via calling method. So you need to dial this number. As you can see on your screen, this is the customer care number for credit card. So you need to dial this number, and once you get connected you need to tell them that you wish to cancel your credit card, and they will help you accordingly, and they will ask you some questions and reasons why you want to cancel your card. And you need to tell them that any genuine reason that you wish to cancel your account, and they will, after confirmation and all, they can cancel your account very easily. Okay, so this is the only method, and if you're facing any issue you can also use any numbers like these numbers. Also these numbers are interlinked each other, and internally linked with each other, and they can transfer your call, and you can cancel your card very easily. And if your card is stolen or lost, then you can also dial this number. This number is also related to credit card lost or stolen reports. Then you can dial this number, and once you get connected you can tell them each and every information. They will help you accordingly. Okay, so this is the method by which you can cancel your card very easily. Hopefully this video will helpful for you. If yes, please hit the like button, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.